Best breakfast. Location is very good. Everything is within 30 minutes range. Taxi ride was 2,600 yen from Fukuoka Airport. I strongly recommend to try breakfast. It was 1,200 yen/person and was worth it. Great location and value for money, clean and well-maintained facilities plus great and accessible location because there's a nearby bus and train station. Just what we needed. Hotel was close to the train station and just a few steps to the bus stop, which made moving around so easy. Breakfast was wonderful and staff was so accommodating. It was not in the busy Hakata area, so we enjoyed the laid-back atmosphere, but it was still close enough to the city center if wanted to go. It was exactly what we needed for this trip. Amazing hotel in the heart of Tenjin, very accessible. There is a Wastu in front of Toei and metro is 5-minute walk. A lot of shops around. I will be back for sure. Great hotel. Bus stop right in front of the hotel. Breakfast has a good selection, but I hope they change it from time to time. Staffs are accommodation. My room isn't renovated yet, but others' rooms are. Exceptional. I would stay again in this hotel if I'm visit Fukuoka. Everything was so accessible, especially transportation, cleanliness, hotel and good. Great deal. Excellent service. I stayed here a few years ago and decided to stay here again. I actually extended another night. Good value. Good location. Good service. Decent breakfast. Room was clean. They gave a small smoking room at first, but I politely asked for a non-smoking room and they upgraded me to a bigger non-smoking room, which I really appreciate. So I would definitely stay here again.